I'm going to be doing something a little bit crazy today. I am going to go up in the mountains. You can't quite tell, but it is snowing like a mofo. I highly doubt there's anybody up there, so we're going to go release our pented up feelings. Can't even see the mountains from here.
Did you lie to him since you were 17? Has he holding up Ebony? Do you cling to him like you would on to me? That he needs you more than I ever need. Did you hide your neck to save him from his sleep? I know how that feels, Ebony. Every chance you take.
I'm already out of breath, but that's okay because I'm going to keep going. We're going to get to the freaking top.
Can't you see? You should move on. I hate you.
I think that's good. I made it, but I'm soggy, I'm wet, I'm tired. Why did I come up here? I'm trying to challenge myself more this year. I want to do harder and harder things, whether that's physically or cinematically, I don't care. I want to take risks.
Thank you so much for watching. Please take a second to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for a video every week. And don't forget to check out Loft 801 reviews and reactions and my podcast, Friends with Benefits. Thank you.